This is going to be the elevator here at the gate at the Caxton building, downtown Cleveland. These used to be old Westinghouse Select-O-Matics, probably with the pop-out buttons, but they were modernized by Gable. Up to 8. Actually do classic level. Hello.
Down or up? Down.
Going down. 1, right?
2, please.
Okay.
What you filming?
Just the elevator. I'm fascinated by elevators.
You got an Otis elevator shirt?
Yeah.
Do you work for Otis?
I do not, but an Otis tech gave me this shirt though.
Oh, cool. Fun.
There's an elevator in the back of the building, the one back there, that one is really old. And
yeah, that one kind of scares me, frankly.
You have a wonderful day. Alright, I'm gonna get off here. Actually, let me go to B because I need to get a proper cat view of this thing real quick. This thing stops a little weird. Now we'll get off on 1. This is a pretty nice mod, but I definitely would have loved to see what was here originally. Innovation Premier Fixtures. And here we are.
Commoner.
Wait, how's it go?
Excuse me. Like a nobody. Excuse me.
Well, there it goes. And over here is your old Westinghouse Select-O-Matic panel. Very nice.
Okay. You okay?
Yeah. Well, that'll be it.